We're going on a cruise, divas. Hey divas! We're in our gorgeous, huge room, and we had lunch, and it was fantastic.
It was.
Now we're gonna unpack a little bit, and then we have to find where the coffee shop is, because that's utmost of importance. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Don't be shy. Welcome to my room tour. We have a beautiful bathroom. Very nice. Over here, what is that? Full-size shower and tub? I think yes. Okay. Yes, very nice. Sorry, Mom, about that. Our closet, you know, really chic, really cute. Over here, whoa, a nice vanity, you know, to do the nice makeup, hair, just like give yourself a pep talk, okay? Then over this way, beautiful beds. Very nice. We're gonna be sleeping there. There's a beautiful mirror, beautiful mother. Very nice. Some shelving, you know, always necessary. A desk, because I'll be working really
The remote office.
Remote office, you know, as I work. Then a couch to just chillax, you know, to just look at our beautiful other TV, because, you know, if something's on over there, I won't be able to see it, so I need something on over here. And then my favorite part of the room, the balcony. I'll be sitting on here, you know, when it's not wet from the rain. Very nice view so far. In the future, it will be the ocean, and then it'll be Canada. So, hope you enjoyed that. Now we're gonna go find the gym, because I'm getting ripped, if you didn't know. Coffee cafe I was looking for doesn't exist. I can just order specialty coffee like basically anywhere. Hell yeah!
You want my Canadian?
Breakfast in bed. Yay! Buys, tries, and shoulders. Hey divas, the boat, she's a rockin', and
rockin' hard.
a diva is down. A diva is down. I was down right next to her after the gym, but it's formal night. I could not put on a dress, but I put this little fitty together. Wow. Is it serving Halifax?
Oh, it's so serving Halifax.
Thanks, Mom. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup on. Just a tad. To look a little alive. Did I pack my sunglasses? No, but I have... Daddy, now hashtag Daddy. A little cranberry.
I ordered dinner. I couldn't.
About to take the ferry. It's very cute.
Very cute.
We're getting on another boat after being on a boat. We just love boats.
A nautical lifestyle is everything.
Halifax, baby. Don't judge us. Time. I guess going to the gym then getting ice cream is my new MO. I don't know. Where are we?
We are in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Eh?
We're off to breakfast and then Sydney, Nova Scotia. Well, we're there.
Nova Scotia.
We're just gonna get off the boat and see the big fiddle. I'm really excited about the big fiddle.
She's very
Like literally, we looked up Sydney, Nova Scotia, and it said big fiddle. You think we're not gonna see that? This is called peak doddering.
She's giving me her strawberry. I wanted it so much. Thank you, Gibbs. That
Well,
is peak doddering.
You're buying me a drink on shore. Thing, and it's fantastic. Like, look at this and tell me you didn't want that. You can't.
So good.
So outfit change because we're actually going on a hike. This is my new set. I love it. Come on. It's serving Sydney hike, right? Big fiddle.
Ginormous. So big.
Big fiddle. We are walking 2 miles to the hike trail. And then we're gonna hike. Then we're gonna walk back. Got maple fudge, finally. Taste test. We are back on the boat. Clearly, I'm in my beautiful room with a freshly made bed. We had a great 7-mile hike. It took 2 miles to get there, and then we were there for about like 5, and then 2 miles to get back. We went to like a craft place. We looked at the downtown, very cute. And then I got this cutie little magnet. We ordered room service, I know, shocker, but we're gonna enjoy some lunch and some chill time since we were quite active. And then we'll see where the day takes us. No fudge, assorted traditional. This is sea salt caramel.
Okay. Very good.
This is maple, because Canada.
Pretty delicious.
1, 2, 3. Surprise, surprise, we're back in the room. I'm now in a completely different outfit. And we ordered room service. I know, we haven't done that yet. And we're gonna watch a movie. So I just woke up from a 4-hour nap to an announcement. Basically, we're not going to St. John. We're not going to Bay of Fundy. Because the winds are too strong and it's dangerous. That literally was the day I was most excited for. Like, I kept talking about it. It was the port I knew about. Like, I was so excited. But we can't go because of the wind. It's fine. Like, the other ports were so much fun. And, like, Portland and Boston will be a blast. But I'm so excited. So now I'm going to the Wheelhouse Bar to meet my grandma and my mom. We're going out on the Charlottetown. I got the Coastal Cookie Iced Latte with blue spirulina cold foam. Girl, I don't know, but it looks good. Splitting it.
This is a very big lobster roll, and I'm glad we're sharing it.
We're gonna go get tan.
Huh.
Why the giggle?
Well.
Getting your period is so much fun. Hey divas, my cramps are really bad, I'm bleeding a lot, but we're in Boston. Was that TMI? So I just finished my workout and then I came back and showered even though I look crazy. Anyway, but I did like, Core Power has these on-demand videos, so I did an hour yoga sculpt with, I think his name was Marvin, and it was great. But also, I was like, I look insane right now. So that was really humbling, but I got my sweat on and I got a sculpt in, so like, and then I like walked on the tread and whatever, but I didn't film because there were like rehearsals happening in the room and I was like literally in the corner looking like a dumbass.
Whatever.
Now it's off to the last dinner. Last dinner on the boat. I'm actually quite excited to go back to my routine, but it's so sad. I'm gonna miss our waiter that we had every night, like, we had a bond. He always knew I wanted a Diet Coke. He always knew I was gonna order salmon. Salmon on the boat.
Yes.
So upsetting. So tragic.
So tragic.
Goodbye, room. You were a good one. See you next time. My bags are packed.
I'm ready to go. Bye.